Shut up and sit down.
Greetings, fellow travelers. Oblix here, and today I want to take just a second to look at this bad boy. Yep, another unboxing. I told you guys I bought quite a few here over the last few days, so here is another one that has come in, and this guy is going to be super cool. But look at all the wrapping they did on this thing. Holy crapes. You would think this guy was prepared for the nuclear winter or something. I don't know what the heck they were thinking on this guy. But let's get it popped open. Alright, we're going to break out our Ontario Wrap 1 and do the cutting duties on this well-wrapped box. Wow, this is just crazy wrapped. Get open. There we go. Close the pocket knife and set it away. As you can see, it is a Croton. This will be my first Croton. Not having had one before. Man, words in my mouth. Holy cripes, that's a lot of green. Is that normal? I mean, I love it. Don't get me wrong. Holy crap. Boy, if you can't see that box, you got blindness issues, bruh. That's actually a really cool box. I'm digging it. Good job, Croton, man. You got my attention. I mean, how could you not? Holy crap. Alright, let's crack this bad boy open. Dun, dun, dun. That was anticlimactic. There should have been a watch there. Dun, 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 dun. Still not. Hang on. Hold on. Just hold your horses. It's all good. Not a problem. I fix. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. That's a little bit better. We got a little weirdness going on over here, but I'll set that to the side. There we go, guys. Alright, so we got blah blah in here. We don't care about. We've got a pillow. Yay. That's actually a nice pillow. Interesting. Nice branded pillow. You don't usually see the pillow branded. Loving this box, man. Good presentation, Croton. Good job. Alright, so got you zoomed into the Croton chronograph here. We can see that ceramic bezel. Really do like that high polish on that ceramic. And you're not going to be able to scratch this, guys. Ceramic is super duper hard. Ridiculously hard. We've also got the sapphire crystal here over the dial, and that's also, you're not going to be able to scratch that as well. Let's take a quick look at the chronograph while we got the dial up in front of us. We do have a date over here at the 4 o'clock, and then we've got our chronograph now. We've got the running second hand over here at the 2:30 position. You can see that guy taken away. Looks like we have a 1-minute accumulator here at the 9:30 and a 12-hour accumulator here at the 6 o'clock. At least that's what I'm assuming that is. Let's go ahead and start the chronograph with the pusher. Oh, nice. It's got some nice tactile feedback on it. Normally these quartz chronographs are very spongy and they don't give you any tactile feedback when it actually engages. This one, in fact, does. That's really nice. Very mecha quartz in its feel, though I'm sure that this is not mecha quartz. You see that second hand ticking away. Now it is not a fly second hand. It actually, you see it tick, tick, tick. We'll go ahead and stop that. We'll return it back to default. There we are, back to start, and there we go, back up to the 12 o'clock. And we're joined by Houston Police or Fire or Ambulance, one of the two. As always, you know, because they got to be in the picture. This is running a Swiss Ronda 5030D, I believe, is the movement inside, and we see branded down here Swiss parts. Not Swiss made, so it's not made in Switzerland, but it does have Swiss parts. Honestly, I'd rather they just left that off, but whatever. Now, the key feature of this thing, though, one of the fancier things about it is the fact that this whole beautiful case, all the way, it's not plated silver, it's solid 0.925 silver. A precious metal. Like I told you, this guy's a spec monster. We got the Croton logo here on the crown. In between the ceramic, the sapphire, the solid silver, the stingray strap. Look at that stingray. Isn't that gorgeous? Goes so well with this piece. We got Croton on the buckle here. We got some decoration on the butterfly. Very nice. Captive first keeper, free float second, God's intended way. And of course we got the Croton logo on the back with fingerprints all over it. Now this is limited to 1,000 pieces. I don't know if that's across the whole line, because like I said, there are 3 of these. There are 3 different colorations, a white, a blue, and a black. The black has like gold accents. Or if it's per dial. I don't know. I didn't do enough research to find out, to be honest. This is just an unboxing, so we'll do more research for the full review. Now that I got you zoomed out, let's get this guy on wrist. Now, I am wearing currently my Casio Duro, one of my favorite pieces. My son got me this for my birthday last year. I think it was my birthday. And one of my favorite pieces, very inexpensive piece, but boy howdy, this thing is an absolute freaking loot strap monster. You can throw any strap you want on here. You guys have seen this on the channel before with a cork strap. I'm currently wearing a French NATO strap. A little bit different. It's like an elastic band. See here? Stretchy. And this is yet another one of the straps I picked up really cheap from AliExpress, and we're giving it a try to see if it's going to work out for us. It'll be one of the ones you'll see in the full Chinese strap review that we do down the road. So let's set the Duro aside and get the Croton on. And I'm going to go left-handed on this one. And bring the butterflies around. Nice. Stingray does have a tendency to be a little bit hard to get in. It usually is better to feed it through as you're coming around, like so. It's because all the little raised, it is very textured. It's very bumpy. And the exterior of it is very hard, but this particular one is very soft on the inside and very, very bendable. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. So there we go on wrist. The Croton Chronograph. Again, full 925 sterling silver, ceramic bezel, sapphire crystal, stingray strap. With a Swiss Ronda inside. You can't knock that either. It's a good wrist filler. Boy, what a nice little dress piece for a pretty darn good price. Alright, I do think that's going to do it with the Croton Chronograph. Again, this is just the first look. I'll get some wrist time on this bad boy. You know I'm going to be wearing it. I'm loving it so far. After we get some wrist time, we'll come back and do a full review of it, where we break it down, look at the nuts and bolts. How did it wear in different lighting situations? What was the loom like? How was it like to live with on a day-to-day basis? So look for that down the road here. But I sure do appreciate you guys coming to hang out with me, as always. And until next time, you guys get out there, make some noise. See ya.